This has been such an exciting project for Callender Howorth and really by far the most epic we've ever done. It's taken about 1 year and 2 months to get there, but there's been a lot of work. We've had builders running around, lighting people, decorators, people pruning the jasmine. It's been all systems go, so it's been a lot of pressure for the last 6 weeks, but it's looking fantastic. I'm really pleased to say that we're finally done. Everyone's over the moon with it. The whole house is suspended above 3 mews houses in Primrose Hill. It's such a light, bright, airy space. It has an indoor swimming pool that floats over the living room that you can dive into from your master bedroom. It is a little bit strange, but it's absolutely spectacular. It's the most unusual project we've ever done. It feels really zen and very calm. You've got, masses of traffic running around on the main road outside, but you just don't hear it in here. So it's like its own little haven, really lovely. And it really is such a joy to be in it. The roofs retract automatically to reveal the sky at night or in the daytime sunshine. This house is incredibly smart with smart home technology. Everything is controlled by tablets with regards to your heating, the blinds, the pool controls, the security. It's a very intelligent house. So we've spent a lot of time developing that with specialists to create something that really is quite James Bond. It's really a party house with a room that you can have a disco for 50 in. It was quite breathtaking and very unusual. We love it, and we're very proud of what we've achieved here.